Somebody was asking me if we could grow agaves outside on our island. Well, just because we're in Canada doesn't mean you can't grow agaves outside. There's lots of different types of hardy agaves. So that's Americana, Agave Americana, the variegated form. And you can see the offsets coming all around it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, there's probably 9, maybe even a dozen offsets around that agave, and it's a pretty nice size agave. And this one's been outside at our place for a couple of years now, and it was actually in a clay planter outside, which makes it even more less cold hardy. And through last winter it was fine. Just keep it underneath these trees where it's dry and well draining soil. Okay, so that's one agave in our garden. And then we come over here and we have Piri. Right there, there's an agave right there, and that's got a few little offsets coming off to it right there. So there's another agave. And then we have another one here as well. These have been outside for quite a few years. You can see the babies coming around it. So there's another agave. And then if I can show you this one in here, if I can get in here, this one's been outside for years and years and years. Right there. Really sharp. I gotta be careful I don't jab myself. There is also another agave, a hardy one, and it grows outside here in our garden with no protection on Salt Spring Island. So the answer is yes, folks. Agaves can be grown in Canada, well, in certain areas. I mean, only plants are only certain have, you know, certain cold tolerance. So, but if the climate permits it, and you have well-draining soil, yes, you can grow agave in Canada along with cactus. There's some amazing cactus patches on Salt Spring Island. Here's our cactus patch. Wendy and I have this pretty wild cactus patch. Lots of cool cactus in it. There's oleanders there, and agaves. Some little guys we planted here. Somebody gave me some off of theirs. And they're actually really growing. I put them in there in the spring. They were a lot smaller and they're growing well. Those are the variegated. So anyway, folks, if you live in a similar growing zone to us here on Salt Spring Island, you may want to try an agave. Full sun and well draining soil. All right. Thanks for watching.